Good morning, it's a wonderful, cool, fresh Wednesday morning and I'm heading down to my friend Geoff's. We are meeting our friend Ron down there. He's bringing over his Norton Commando for us to take a look at and see if we can get it running again. Yeah, Ron's been having some problems with his bike. It seems like it's only been running on one cylinder. I think he's done all the usual checks, you know, swapped out the coils and the leads and spark plugs, etc. And so we're just going to do a little bit more analysis to see if we can figure out what's going wrong and then go for a ride. These old air-cooled bikes, they just love this temperature, don't they? You can feel them breathing better and performing better, that's for sure. Just got a little ways to go down on this Interstate 5 freeway, crossing the Willamette River in Wilsonville. There's the old World of Speed building there. Such a shame that that closed down. It's usually a bit of a bottleneck right here over the bridge. It's always good to leave the freeways. You feel a little vulnerable on an old bike like this, I must say. Oh, it's just a joy to be riding a motorcycle on a nice, quiet, fresh morning. This is wonderful. Really looking forward to this. Working on our friend's bike. That's what this club's all about. We've been up and down this road a few times, haven't we, guys, on test rides? Okay, next stop is the garage, and let's take a look at Ron's bike.
I used to rent them all the time too. It was... I didn't bring my ramp.
Just taking it for a little test ride. Everything seems fine, actually. It's running on 2 cylinders, no problem. Well, it seems fine. It's hesitating a little on this left cylinder. Seems fine. We'll just need to do a little bit more analysis on the lift.
I can feel it. It's loose. Okay, pretty clear.
Try a second test ride. Oh, that's much better. Feels smoother. So we cleaned the plugs. They were very, very sooty, as you can have seen. Cleaned the points. We did a flow test on both fuel taps and flow was very good. We also set the air screws to the standard 1.5 turns out. Gosh, that's bouncy. Oh, this is a great bike. We were just talking about the subtle differences between the 850s and the 750s. To me, and I think the guys agreed, 750s seem so much lighter and nimble and flexible. I use that word, flickable. The bars on this are much narrower than mine, so it feels really nice. I believe the rake of the front forks is a bit different as well, so it feels more flexible and manoeuvrable, and they feel real sort of racy compared to the beefier 850. Yeah, so what we're going to do is when I get back, we're going to check the plugs, because they were really sooty. Geoff has a media blaster tool that he puts them in, and then he cleans them out obviously, and then blew them out, got rid of all the media. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, it pulls really well. Yeah, this is awesome. Just a few little subtle changes made a big difference. That back brake is excellent. Yeah, that is excellent. Yeah, there's certainly something about a 750. Really cool bike. This is a 71 Commando, all original. Listen to that idle as well. That sounds great, doesn't it? Fantastic. It's brilliant.
Sounds really good.
It's fantastic.
Should we put it up and check the plugs?
I'll ride it up. No, I'm only kidding. Yes, sure.
It sounds good.
It's smoother, Ron. It's smoother. It feels smoother with those changes. I don't know, but
just be cleaning the plugs.
yeah, it feels not as sort of erratic, you know. I mean, it's warmer now, of course, but it feels really nice. It's fast. So we're going to take the plugs out now and check them again.
Miles on that thing?
21,000. It's just broken in.
Wow. Boy, that's just
It does idle really nice. It's one of my favourite things about it. A bit easier, eh? So his plugs were still sooty. So he's gonna buy new jets and new needles. And we've got a spare set of plugs and a plug spanner, plug wrench with us. They do look so much sleeker, don't they, the 750s? They don't have the turn signals, obviously. This is a 71. And then I really like that tail light rather than the later blocky ones that this and Geoff's has. Plus it helps if you're 150 pounds and not a bit more than that. So here we go. That sounds great. There's something about the 750s, they sound so cool, don't they? Food carts in there, that looks cool. So guys, while I have you, if you are local and you have a single cylinder motorcycle and you're interested in participating in our singles day ride, please get in touch with me. We haven't arranged anything yet, but I'm thinking we're going to do a singles day ride special event, single cylinder motorcycles only, for a ride out sometime. I need to get that BSA Gold Star running first of all, so it could be a little while, and we're going to ride out here and probably go to the Top Wire brewery. They do soft drinks and snacks and they have food carts, and we thought we'd do that. We thought it'd be a great day out, different pace obviously to this, and hence, you know, the limitation to single cylinders only. So let me know if you're interested, and I can add you to like a little mailing list that I start putting out for the group communications. St. Paul, we are back again. It's just such a wonderful place to come for a little ride. Oh, great. What a fantastic ride. How was it?
Brilliant.
It stretched its legs a little bit there, eh? Was it okay?
It just hurt. Thank you, my friend.
We're not there yet, but it certainly seems better, and we have a sort of a path
I'm
to
thinking we'll get
fix.
back.
Yeah, well,
I'm thinking we'll get all the way back.
well, we can check if you... Well, yeah, let's just go back then and check it when we get back. Now you're just showing off. Oh, that was fantastic. Really enjoyed it. Nice drink and some chicken wings. It was really, really good. Such a nice place in there. Ever so friendly. We've gotten to know the guys there quite a bit and they're so nice. It's always breezy across here. So you may have heard, but Ron was saying his bike ran really well over here. What we'll do is we'll check the plugs when we get back. He said he thinks they're fine for now. Wow, really breezy. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this little ride out. 3 Norton Commandos, different generations, all 3 fantastic bikes, and I will see you again next week.
It needed the Italian tune-up, Ron.
That was great.